Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Corolla's maintenance light. First, insert your key into the ignition. Then, turn it to the on position, which is usually the second click, but make sure not to start the engine. This powers up your vehicle's electrical system without engaging the engine, preparing it for the next steps. Next, find the trip reset button, typically located on your dashboard near the odometer. Press and hold this button firmly. You should see trip appear on your display. Once trip is visible, you can release the button. Immediately after, turn your ignition key back to the off position, completely powering down the vehicle. Now, press and hold that trip reset button again. While keeping it pressed, turn your ignition key back to the on position. It's important to keep holding the button throughout this step. Watch your odometer display. It should flash several zeros, and then your maintenance light will extinguish. This usually takes about 10 seconds. Once the maintenance light is off and the odometer shows zeros, you can release the trip reset button. Now, go ahead and start your Toyota Corolla to confirm the light stays off. If, for any reason, the maintenance light comes back on, simply repeat these 4 steps 1 or 2 more times. Sometimes, it just takes a couple of tries to get the timing right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.